Hello there. In the last session, we have seen how we can perform the simple tasks using the for loop. So the syntax of for loop was very simple and the usage indeed is also pretty much simpler. Now before proceeding further, it is important for us to understand what are the different mathematical operators available in Python. Most of the mathematical operators are something which you might be or might not be familiar with, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are the four basic mathematical operators that we use in Python. Remember, the proper usage is very important to understand in order to perform some important tasks. For example, there is not much to do with the addition and subtraction, they are as simple as that. But division and multiplication have another two operators which involves usage of double asterisk symbol or double division symbol. Plus there is a modulus operator also. So in Python, basically the division operation or single forward slash just performs division of two numbers, but this division is always a floating point division. So if you divide 5 by 2, then it returns 2.5. Normally in any other programming language like C, 5 by 2 returns 2. That is a floor division, but here it always returns you the 2.5. So look at it. So 5 divided by 2 returns 2.5. Similarly, 5 multiplied by 2 will return 10. These are the normal multiplication and division operation. Modulus operator is something which performs the division of the two numbers and returns the remainder of it. So let's say 15 divided by 3. So it is actually the whole division. So let's choose 17 mod 3. So it returns 2. So 3 is multiplied, 17 is divided by 3. The answer would be 5 and this is the remainder. So 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is 17. Modulus operator will mod the two numbers. You can choose anything like that and you can have a modulus operator working on it. It works equally for bigger numbers also, like that. That is the job of the modulus operator. Perform a division and return the remainder. And then there are exponential operation and floor division operation. Exponential is very simple. So if I have to perform 2 raised to 2, so if 2 to the order of 2, then this operation is not directly performed in Python. Instead it is performed as 2 double star 2. So it returns 4. 2 double star 3. It means 2 raised to 3 will return 8. 2 double star 8 will return 256 as we know. So 2 double star 8 means nothing but 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, like that. And floor division, the last one, is to be understood because 5 divided by 2 or 5 floor division operator, that is double forward slash 2, will give me 2. Many times this is important as well as this is also important. So when you just want division, accurate division, you use the normal division. When you actually want a floor division to be performed, you use this operator. So try them all. You have to know the Python operators very well in order to perform anything with respect to Python here and onwards. So these are the mathematical operators which we use most popularly and most commonly. Try out these operators. Thank you.